Hey guys, in today's video, I'll be showing you how to use coupons on Temu to save money on your purchases. Let's get started. First, open Temu app or go to temu.com and log in to your account. Browse for items and add them to your cart. Let's add this one to our cart by clicking on this icon right here, and then here let's click on checkout. Now, in this page, we are going to see where you just have to fill up all these information that they are asking for. Now, once you hit on payment page, you'll be able to see this area right here where you can enter your coupon code. All you have to do is to click on it to see your available coupons, and then Timo will automatically apply the best one, but you can manually select another if needed. Like, for example, you don't have any available coupon, you can just enter the coupon code here manually and then click on apply. And then once you submit your order, your coupon will be applied, and then you can check your new total and you can then just wait for your order to arrive. And that's how you use coupons on Temu.